Doorbell cameras have evolved, fusing advanced technology seamlessly. These smart devices offer real-time video feeds and two-way communication, transforming how we interact and enhance home security. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a top-notch choice, boasting cutting-edge features that redefine home security. With impressive 4K resolution, it captures every detail, ensuring a comprehensive view of your doorstep. The 3D motion detection minimizes false alarms, providing accurate alerts for heightened security. Offering a bird's-eye view, it maps out motion events, allowing you to track visitors' paths with ease. The built-in Alexa integration brings convenience, enabling voice commands and real-time communication with visitors through the two-way audio feature. Customizable motion zones let you focus on crucial areas, optimizing security. While it stands as a premium option, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 ensures a reliable, long-term investment for advanced home protection. Google Nest Doorbell Camera Battery. The Nest Battery Doorbell claims the throne with unmatched reliability and performance, consistently outshining its competitors. Swift alerts and animated previews simplify decision-making, ensuring you stay in the loop effortlessly. While the resolution isn't the sharpest, Google compensates with HDR video at a smooth 30 frames per second. Enjoy 3 hours of recording without a subscription, or elevate your experience with Nest Aware for precise face and packaging detection. The smaller field of view doesn't compromise its expansive coverage, making it a seamless addition to your Google-enabled smart home. With easy mounting, extended battery life, and integration with other Nest devices, this doorbell promises hassle-free, comprehensive home security. Arlo Essentials Video Doorbell. Next is Arlo Essentials Video Doorbell redefines affordability without compromising on quality. Unleashing HD video with high dynamic range, it paints a vivid picture, capturing intricate details and clarity over a broad 180-degree field of view. This wired doorbell seamlessly integrates a rechargeable battery option, offering flexibility and a sleek design that complements modern aesthetics. Equipped with night vision and two-way audio, it transforms interaction at your doorstep. Object detection adds intelligence, discerning between people, packages, animals, and vehicles. Elevate your security with Arlo Secure for personalized alerts and 24/7 monitoring by experts. The compact unit, measuring 85 by 5.63 by 1.45, epitomizes a perfect fusion of style and substance in the realm of video doorbells. Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro emerges as a standout choice for savvy consumers seeking both performance and affordability. In a market often saturated with expensive alternatives, Wyze delivers a doorbell camera that excels without breaking the bank. Boasting a sleek and unobtrusive design, it seamlessly integrates into your home while offering a hassle-free installation experience. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures longevity, lasting up to 6 months on a single charge, complemented by a customizable chime accessory for added convenience. While capturing clear 1440p footage and effective low-light images, it may lack some advanced features but compensates with reliable motion tracking, people detection, and package identification. For those prioritizing value without compromising functionality, the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is an enticing choice, making home monitoring accessible to all. Aqara Video Doorbell G4. The Aqara Video Doorbell G4 has become a sensation, consistently flying off the shelves for its exceptional features. Offering high-definition video quality, it ensures a crystal-clear view of your doorstep, making it a go-to choice for identifying visitors and packages with ease. The doorbell's AI-based motion detection adds an intelligent touch, effectively distinguishing humans from non-human movements and minimizing unnecessary alerts. Enjoy seamless integration with smart home helpers, such as Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, enhancing your overall home automation experience. The Aqara G4's flexibility in power sources, battery or wired, provides installation ease, and its local storage options ensure you have control over your footage without the need for subscription plans. Invest in this doorbell for a feature-rich, subscription-free, and reliable home security solution. Ring Video Doorbell 4. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 emerges as a top-tier choice, blending functionality and flair seamlessly. Boasting an extended battery life ranging from 6 to 12 months, it outshines rivals in endurance. Its chic design, glossy finish, and backlit doorbell button add a touch of sophistication, while the quick-release battery pack enhances practicality. Despite the absence of Apple HomeKit and Google Assistant support, it compensates with stellar Alexa compatibility and IFTTT integration for diverse smart devices. Capturing footage in native 1080p, it ensures vivid and detailed visuals, complemented by a unique full-color pre-roll feature that captures events preceding motion triggers. With HD monochromatic nighttime video and integration with the Ring app for real-time alerts and customizable activity zones. Logitech Circle View Apple HomeKit. The Logitech Circle View Apple HomeKit doorbell stands out for its seamless synergy with Apple's ecosystem, offering users swift access to live streaming on their iPhones. Boasting HD live streaming, it ensures crystal clear footage for easy identification of faces and crucial details. Its intelligent motion alert system smartly notifies users, effectively discerning between routine activities and potential concerns. With impressive night vision capabilities, it guarantees clear footage even in low-light scenarios. The two-way audio feature facilitates seamless communication with individuals at your doorstep, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. If you're in the market for a smart doorbell with advanced features and a user-friendly interface within the Apple ecosystem, the Logitech Circle View is a top-notch option. Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell stands out with a treasure trove of features at an unmatched budget-friendly price. Immerse yourself in instant motion alerts, keeping you connected to your doorstep's 1080p HD resolution live stream, even when you're miles away. Its advanced motion detection system anticipates surprise visits, ensuring you're notified ahead of the doorbell's chime. This doorbell's adaptability shines through its choice of wide or battery-powered options, allowing for easy DIY installation tailored to your home's needs. With seamless integration with Alexa, you can effortlessly command a glimpse of your front doorstep. While lacking external storage, the cloud subscription adds a layer of convenience, making this doorbell a compelling choice that doesn't compromise on features. That's all for this video.